What's going on? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make thousands of dollars making simple videos on YouTube, and I'll even show you some automated software that will do 90% of the work for you. So this is going to be really cool. We're going to get into a second, but I keep showing little glimpses of my garage, so I had some people ask me to give them a little bit closer look. So here it is. Here's the Cobra, my Shelby GT350. People are always curious about the car. And then up here on the walls in my garage, I have some Shelby and Ford racing stuff. And then up here, I have some tins there, a Shelby Cobra, and then a GT500 with the Carroll Shelby kind of in the background, if you can see that or not. And then the Cobra flag right there. And then over here on the pegboard, I got just a nice tin up there, genuine Ford parts. My workbench with some storage, and then above the door back here, I've got some more Mustang stuff going on. But there it is, that's the garage, there's the car. And real quick before we jump onto my computer and get into the method I want to share with you today, people are always asking me what my main source of online income is and the methods that I use to grow multiple YouTube channels and earn automated income right here on YouTube, even if you're not a partner just like this. So for those people, I have a link in the description to a video series I put together where you can literally watch over my shoulder, copy me, and set this up for yourself. And if you do happen to come over to the course page, you're going to see something really cool. If you scroll down, you'll see where other YouTubers that are enrolled in the course are sharing the results they're getting right here. So again, that link is in the description if you're interested. And with that said, let's get into this method I want to share with you today right now.
Okay, so as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, we're gonna look at several YouTube channels that are making thousands of dollars monthly by posting some of the most simple videos you can imagine. And you don't need any special skills, you don't need to be a master editor, you don't need to put yourself on camera or even speak on camera. And I'm gonna show you how to do all of this absolutely free, using various free resources. And I'm also gonna show you a very special software that you can use to generate these videos for you. That's right, you barely have to do anything and the software is going to do 90% of this work for you, simply by clicking a few buttons. Not only that, the software itself has everything you need to create the videos I'm going to show you. So it's all in one. The audio, the video content, it's already included in the software itself. So again, all you'll need to do is click a few buttons and the software will literally create the videos for you. Now, I covered this software in a previous video, but people wanted to see more examples of how you can use it to create videos and make money on YouTube. And so in this video, I'm going to once again show you how you can use this software to generate YouTube videos simply by clicking a few buttons. And you can do all sorts of different types of videos beyond the types of video I'm going to show you today. But we'll get into all that here in a second. But first, let's go ahead and look at the type of videos these channels are putting out that are generating them thousands and thousands of dollars monthly. So if we come over here to YouTube and we simply type in the search field workout music, you're gonna see a bunch of channels posting videos that are actually just really there for the music. So if we click on one of these, most likely you're just gonna see a still image. We'll go ahead and click on this one and I'm gonna mute it, but you can see an ad is running. So they are earning AdSense revenue. We're gonna skip this ad real quick. But you can see it's just a still image and there is actually music playing. So this video was posted a few months ago. It has almost 1 million views on it. And of course, this channel is going to have a bunch of content on it, a bunch of videos, and each one is generating thousands and thousands of views, and they are generating thousands and thousands of dollars. So let's go back and look at some other examples of other channels that are doing the exact same thing. It's just a simple still image, and then again, it's just really about the music. So if we look at some of these channels, we have Workout Music Service, Workout Music, Nanako Mori, Epidemic Pop, Max Azo, Bodybuilding Music, Gym Life, and so on. And I'm gonna show you where to get the music, where to get the image, and how to do this absolutely free. But first, let's look at some of the income these channels are generating. So if you go to Social Blade and you type in something like workout music, it's going to bring up all these channels, and let's just click on one as an example and check out the revenue it's generating. So this channel, Workout Music Service, and if we scroll down here, Social Blade is estimating this channel to be making on the upper end of $10,000+ a month in AdSense revenue. which is over $100,000 a year simply by posting these videos that I'm about to show you how to do for free. And again, don't forget, I'm going to show you some software that's going to automate almost all the process for you just simply by clicking a couple buttons, and then all you got to do is upload those videos to YouTube. So first and foremost, where do you get the music to create these types of videos? Well, if you go to Google and just type in YouTube Audio Library and then look for this right here, YouTube Music Library, I guess you could type in as well, and we click this open, you're going to see all these music tracks that YouTube provides for you to use in your videos. And you can even filter this by mood or by genre. So under genre, I'm assuming some of the more popular ones for this niche would be dance and electronic, hip hop and rap. But you could do all sorts of different themed ones. Maybe there's people that are into country, so you could start doing some country ones. Make a playlist of country music, make a playlist of hip hop on your channel. You can also look under mood. Some people prefer to have some kind of angry music to work out to, especially if they're weightlifting. So if you're gonna do something just for bodybuilders, you could do a playlist of angry music for bodybuilders, or for people that like to work out to aggressive sounding music. You can even create a playlist of different types of instruments that are played in the music. And doing all of that and creating those playlists will help you grow a nice sized channel, because it's going to appeal to a bunch of different types of people that want to listen to different types of music when they work out. Now, as I showed you previously, the video we checked out just had a still image, and when you look through a lot of those videos, most of them are just still images. So again, just go to Google. You can type in copyright free images and a bunch of sites will pop up. One of my favorites is Pixabay. Once you're on Pixabay, simply type in something related to what you're looking for. We'll say fitness. And Pixabay is gonna supply you with all the related images. The last thing you'll need is editing software. So again, you can just simply Google free editing software, and this one here has an article. If we open it up, it's gonna give you the 14 best free video editing software programs in 2020. So now you can just simply scroll through here, read these reviews, and see which one works best for you. If you have a Mac, if you have a PC, whatever your situation is, this is how you can find some amazing free editing software that you can use. Again, that's gonna work best for you. And so now let's take a look at the software that I mentioned earlier and that I covered previously that people are still interested in. That's gonna do 90% of this work for you. And it is called Vidnami, and not only will it do these types of videos, it's going to do all sorts of different types of videos you could do in virtually any niche, where you don't have to put yourself on camera, you don't have to speak on camera. Again, you're just going to do a few things to set it up, and it's going to edit the video for you. And I'll put a link in the description to the sign-in page right here, where you will actually get free access to the software for 2 weeks and try it out and see what you think. But now let me show you exactly how this works. Alright, so we're inside of Vidnami software in the platform, and you've seen this before. You watched one of my previous videos where I covered this, but if you haven't, check this out. First of all, you can choose which format you want to work in. So we have landscape, which is 16:9, or square, depending on what type of platform you're making these videos for. Since we're talking about YouTube, we're gonna keep it on landscape. So let's go ahead and click on that. Now it's gonna filter out so that it gets rid of the square videos, so we can just look at the ones we wanna pick from that are 16:9. We can take it a step further and we can go over here to the left, and there's different categories. So this is content video, they have influencer video, instant ad, sales video, course and training videos, property videos, and you can even create your own custom template. And just to give you an idea what these are about, if we click on the category for sales video, for instance, they're gonna have these broken down into different industries. So if you were in the plumbing industry or you had plumbing related content, you could just click this and it's going to already have some of the video pre-populated for you with that type of content, and so on. So you have digital marketing, technology, author, veterinary, and you can look through all these if you want. Let's just go ahead and stick with content video. So from here, we're just going to pick a template that we like, and let's go ahead, and I like this one with the kind of opaque background around the words. We'll just click on this one. It's called Sea Mist. It gives you a closer look. Yes, I want to use this template, so I'm going to click use this template. We're just going to call this fitness. So for this video, I'm going to add some words to the video so that they'll actually show up while the video is playing to make it a little bit more interesting than just a still image if you want. So I might just type in something like workout, stay fit, just words that are related to what we're making these videos about. fitness, burn fat, build muscle. And you'll see why I did this here in a second for this example. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna click create scenes. So what Vidnami did was it read the words that I put in there, and now it used artificial intelligence to pair up little video clips with the words I picked. So for workout, it shows a person working out. If I scroll down to the next piece there, stay fit, shows somebody working out on a punching bag. The next portion of the video, people running along a beach. The next portion of the video, people doing some ab workout. And then this last one here, somebody doing some tricep workout. Now I can even edit these further if I wanted to, or I could leave them alone and just continue and process this through. And so it's going to generate the video for me. But up here we have some choices. We can change the text position. So let's say I wanted it, I don't know, in the middle. So I'll put it in the middle. If I wanted it on the top, if I wanted it off to the side, I kind of liked it where it was. We'll just put it down at the bottom again. I can even hide the text if I don't want the text there. I could have just used the text to kind of generate these video clips. So I could type workout over and over and over, and then it would have picked different workout clips. I can change the transition. I can add a new scene in between if I want. So it gives you all sorts of other options. You can mess around with these video clips, or you can just let it do it all for you and just download it at the end. Let's go ahead and assume we liked it, and let's go to the next step. Here we're gonna add the music. So if I wanted to, I could just say, I could just leave it as a no voice track, and it'll just automatically default to adding music, and then we can pick the music we want to put on it. But I can also select auto voice, so let me go ahead and do that. And this is my favorite voice, Harry, but you have several to choose from. These are USA accents, United Kingdom accents, and Australian accent. Let's go ahead and just stick with Harry. And so let's see what Harry sounds like.
Hi, my name is Harry and I would love to read the script for your video.
So if I would have completed the entire script and let Harry read it, that would have automatically done it for me in this video as well. So that's another option with creating this video. You can simply put in a script, and then Harry will read that script for you, or whoever you want to read the script for you, with the music or without the music, however you choose to set it up. And so obviously that opens the door to making all sorts of different types of videos for YouTube. You can also record your own voice track, or you can upload a pre-recorded voice track. Again, we're just using this for music video, so let's go ahead and click the first selection. We're gonna hit preview your video. And now again with Vidnami, you can choose the mood, you can choose the genre, and you can just hover over these selections and it will play a sample so you can see if you like that song or not. But if you look down here at the bottom, you're gonna see that Vidnami has over 30,000 music tracks available to choose from. And of course, you could upload your own music if you wanted to use YouTube's music, or let's say you went and you started making money and so you wanted to upgrade and then you went out and bought the rights to some music to use. So again, you could start off using YouTube's audio library, which is free, or if you chose Vidnami, and you could use just these selections here. And then once you start making money, once you start generating AdSense revenue, you could invest a little bit back into your channel and get even some better quality music to make your videos even better. Now, before I produce this video, another option we can have up here is we can choose how long we want each section of the video to be. So I could ramp it up here a little bit to make it a little bit longer. And then let's just go ahead and click continue. And once your video is done downloading, you can play it. And I actually went ahead and shortened the scenes a little bit so we could just get this done quickly, but here it is. So if you didn't want to use the words, let me show you another option. So now that I don't have to explain it, let me just show you how quickly you can do this. We're going to go ahead and click landscape. We're going to click a video type that we want, the format, this template. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the words this time. I'll just leave one word in so that the software will begin to pick the scenes, and then we'll use that to kind of make the video. But you'll see what I mean here in a second. Create scenes. I'm going to click on the keyword here, workout. It's going to give me a bunch more options. I'm going to hide the word, hide text. And I'm going to just add a bunch of scenes. Now, of course, I could add more. I'm just going to do another quick example. Click next, basically. I just picked a different song, and now I'm going to go ahead and generate the video. And so again, once the video is downloaded, you can simply play it. And of course, I could have extended each one of these scenes longer. I could have added more, but literally in just a minute or two, you can create a video simply by clicking a few buttons and build a huge channel in a very short amount of time. You could easily upload several of these videos to a channel a day. And again, you can see the results people are getting right here doing this type of content. So if you want to check out Vidnami, again, that link is in the description. You can play with the software absolutely free for 2 weeks. You don't have to put any sorts of payment information in. All you have to do is use your email to set up an account. Obviously, the videos aren't limited to just making music videos. You can do all sorts of stuff with this. So if you're interested in how to grow on YouTube, how to make money online, be sure to hit that subscribe button, set up notifications so you don't miss out. And with that said, I'm going to wrap this up and I will see you in the next video.